Howdy y'all, Lone Star Roddy here. We're getting ready to install this air conditioning, and it's a split unit. The outside is going to be going right here, and you're asking why do I put it up there? It's too tall. And on the inside is where the other side of the split goes. So y'all stick around.
Is the van too tall or are we too short?
The air conditioning unit is too tall.
Okay.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
Details on this air conditioning I bought, and it was from a company on here which I'm not really totally happy with because I didn't get any instructions. I did a few YouTube videos and found how to install it, but I still don't have 100% on how to operate this air conditioner, even though I've got it kind of figured out. I did pay the amount here, $432, and the air conditioner does work well. And I am running it on 6 12-volt 100 amp batteries. And yes, I did purchase this off of Temu. What it says here, it's 12,000 BTU truck cab air conditioning, 12-volt split, truck, bus, caravans, square shape, room, electrical wiring, operating voltage. Did come with everything except for the instructions. That does not even look like me. There we go. And here are the dimensions. It was 2 inches, 3 inches too tall, and I thought it was going to be tall enough, but that was my fault. The unit inside is nice and small, and it works really well. And this is everything it comes with. Temu has been okay purchasing. The very important thing that that you want to look at is local warehouse. And then if you see local warehouse here, that means the delivery will be a whole lot quicker. Otherwise, it's pretty good. All right.
5 more, please.
5 more. I am doing that slowly so I don't slice my thumb open.
Again.
Yeah. That other spot didn't bleed, but it left a bruise. Huh. It's warm. Warm. My poor van, I'm drilling holes. Wait till we do the big hole. That's what she said. I had to, Doug, I had to. This is a peanut. Flat and go. Hang on, I'm going to demonstrate this just a little bit. These peanuts screw on the top of this deal here. That's an 8 meter or metric, 8 millimeter. And you make sure it's flat. You got your handle here. You poke it in the hole. Make sure you're level and go for it.
And for some reason, it's better when you do it twice. And it comes out. Awesome.
The next day.
All right, we got all the rivet nuts in here. And Doug was up so early, he went and got the bolts. We needed more bolts. But I don't think that thing's going to fall off. The naked part of the air conditioner.
Here it is.
I'm already. This thing already got moist just sitting there.
Well, just coming outside, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Hey. Got it. Besides that, we might paint it. Sure. Thanks. Already got a few nicks and stuff on here. I'll start a couple over here. Where are you gonna go next?
I don't care. Wherever there's a bolt, probably.
Probably. We're Loctite and everything. Whoosh! That's more better. This thing ain't going nowhere.
Unless the door does.
Yeah, unless the door does.
Unless the door do.
The door dash. Let's see. Actually, that doesn't look bad at all.
Well, I'm glad.
Huh?
I'm glad.
Yeah. Well, you know, I thought it would be kind of like an eyesore.
Yeah, I think so. I think it looks modern.
Yeah.
Now what?
Well, let's stretch out some cables and stuff. And
Like I said, we got plenty of.
okay, this goes down to the battery, and then this.
Goes upstairs. You got just as much as you do the other cables.
Oh yeah, that's plenty. So we got plenty of stuff, everything. So what we got kind of need to do now, right? Is I need to move this out. So now just here, and we just stick those on. Look at that. Hey, this only has the drain on one side. Yeah, that's the side that B's low. And it's on the right side that I want it to be. So, yeah. Well, we got the holes drilled for this inner plate where the second part of the air conditioning goes in. I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. I wasn't recording. There's the two holes that we've got drilled with the bolts in there. We're using those as templates to hold that board up in the middle inside. Say that again? No? That's the bolts on the outside holding up the inside? Yeah. That's what Doug said. Let me get this rubber piece in here. Okay. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to. That was what I was just thinking. Are we?
This is take 25.
Oh, yeah. Okay. They figure out where to put this bad boy. Hey, it sits bare. Perfect.
It's a good thing. I'll tell you what, though.
What do you tell?
She never said that.
Yeah. That's about
Oh, that was nice.
that's about how much I wanted to lean right there.
You know, with the extra length on those bolts, you can use those for something else.
Yeah.
You got an inch of wood on the left, you got the wood showing on the right.
Yes.
Okay. So I thought that was the same size as the.
I thought it was too, but it ain't. That's good. That's going to hit right about there. Leaning.
I can't see the roll.
Well, this thing ain't level anyway. I've got it down about
Okay.
a quarter of an inch.
All right.
Um,
You want to screw on the other side?
well, you hold this and I will.
No, I meant just lean left. I'll screw it right.
Okay. Let me put this back where it was. Right about there. Oops, shit. Right about there. Oh,
It ain't going nowhere.
it ain't going nowhere.
Okay, try and reverse that one.
Okay. Nice and easy. Lucy. I have an extension somewhere. Now that looks good. That looks awesome. These are the vents. These right here are the vents. This is control. It does have a remote that comes with this, so which is a good thing. Brake time. Alright, we're fixing to drill a 2-inch hole.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah.
What else you want to do?
That was pretty quick.
That's what she said.
Maybe file that down. And did you say you had any of that stuff?
What stuff?
The
Edge stuff?
Yeah, the edge stuff. Okay. Yeah, let's take a close look at that hole.
Diablo.
Pablo. Okay.
Several days later.
Well, guys, the air conditioning is all fixed. I want to give a big thanks for Doug and Tracy for having me here at their place for about 4 or 5 days and helping me out. Big thanks to Doug for all he does and all they do. I now have a really good working air conditioning. Catch y'all on the road here at
Lake Jackson, Texas, with an air conditioning.
Okay. There we go. Take 25.
We're gonna run out of screws, I'm telling you.